Healthcare is at a tipping point.
For most of our lives, the experience has been fundamentally the same. You feel sick, you make an appointment, you see a doctor, and you get a diagnosis. It's a reactive system, often burdened by paperwork, long waits, and one-size-fits-all treatments. Now, a force is arriving that promises to change everything: artificial intelligence. When we hear AI in healthcare, our minds might jump to sci-fi movies, robots performing surgery, or all-knowing computers. The reality is both more subtle and more profound. Over the next 10 years, AI is set to become the intellectual stethoscope of the 21st century. It won't replace doctors, it will superpower them. AI's core strength is its ability to find patterns in vast, complex seas of data, patterns that are invisible to the human eye. From your genetic code to your smartwatch data, from X-rays to handwritten doctor's notes, AI can sift through it all to build a future of medicine that is more personal, more predictive, and more powerful than ever before. Let's explore the 10 biggest transformations heading our way. 1. Spotting disease before it starts, the rise of predictive care. Today, we wait for symptoms. In the future, AI will hunt for risks. The most significant shift AI will bring is the move from reactive to preventative care. AI algorithms can analyze a person's complete data profile, their genetics, lifestyle, lab results, and even data from their wearable devices to build a unique risk fingerprint. Think of it like an incredibly advanced weather forecast for your body. Your doctor might say, based on these 50 subtle factors, your AI model shows an 80% chance of developing type 2 diabetes in the next 3 years. Let's build a plan to change that today. This AI for preventative care can flag early signs of heart disease, cancer, or neurological disorders years before a human doctor could. By spotting the storm on the horizon, we can change course with simple interventions, like diet or exercise, instead of facing a full-blown hurricane that requires drugs and surgery. 2. Your personal health Tailor. Hyper-personalized medicine. One-size-fits-all medicine is on its way out. Why does one person respond to a drug while another gets only side effects? The answer is in our unique biology. AI-personalized medicine is the new frontier. Instead of giving everyone with the same disease the same pill, AI will act as a master tailor for your health. AI models can analyze your specific genetic makeup alongside your clinical data to determine exactly which treatment will work best for you. It's the difference between buying a suit off the rack and having one custom fitted to your precise measurements. For cancer patients, this is revolutionary. AI can analyze a tumor's specific genetic mutations and recommend a unique cocktail of therapies, creating an AI-driven treatment plan that attacks the cancer's specific weaknesses, dramatically improving outcomes. 3.
The Super-Radiologist.
Making medical imaging flawless. One of the most powerful current uses of AI in diagnostics is in medical imaging. Radiologists are brilliant, but they're also human. They get tired, and their eyes can miss a subtle shadow on an X-ray or a tiny group of pixels on an MRI that signals the start of a tumor. AI, however, never gets tired. AI algorithms, trained on millions of scans, can spot patterns that are virtually invisible to the human eye. Think of AI as a tireless assistant who has memorized every scan in history. It scans your X-ray and flags a tiny, suspicious-looking nodule with superhuman accuracy, suggesting, "Doctor, you might want to look closer at this spot." This is already leading to faster diagnosis for cancers, Alzheimer's disease, and diabetic retinopathy, an eye disease, catching them at their earliest, most treatable stages. 4. The 24/7 virtual health assistant in your pocket. How often have you had a minor health question at 2 a.m. and wished you could just ask someone? In the near future, you will. Virtual health assistants, sophisticated AI chatbots, will become the new front door to healthcare. These won't be the clunky chatbots of today. They'll be empathetic, intelligent, and able to understand natural language. You'll be able to describe your symptoms, and the AI will ask intelligent follow-up questions to triage your situation. It might reassure you, "This sounds like a common cold, here's how to care for it," or escalate the issue. "Your symptoms suggest you should see a doctor in the morning, and I've already booked you an appointment." These AI assistants will also handle medication reminders, manage chronic conditions, and even offer AI mental health support, providing an accessible, judgment-free first line of defense. 5. From years to months, AI-accelerated drug discovery. Creating a new drug is one of the slowest, most expensive processes on Earth. It can take over a decade and billions of dollars to get a single new medicine from a lab to your pharmacy. AI drug discovery is set to shatter that timeline. Traditionally, scientists have to manually test millions of chemical compounds to see if one might work. AI can do this in reverse. Instead of searching for a needle in a haystack, AI designs the needle. Scientists can ask the AI, "I need a molecule that can block this specific protein that causes this disease." The AI can then simulate billions of molecular interactions in a matter of hours, designing promising new drug candidates from scratch. This is like going from hand-drawing a map to using a supercomputer for GPS. It will bring new cures for rare diseases and faster responses to new pandemics. 6. Eliminating doctor busywork, the AI administrator. Your doctor probably spends less than half their time actually with patients. The rest is spent on a mountain of administrative tasks, updating electronic health records, filling out insurance forms, and typing notes.
This is a massive source of physician burnout.
AI administrative tasks in healthcare will solve this. Imagine a doctor having a natural conversation with a patient. In the background, an ambient listening AI transcribes the entire conversation, identifies the key medical information, symptoms, diagnoses, prescriptions, and automatically fills out the patient's chart in the correct format. This single change frees the doctor to focus 100% on the human in front of them, not the computer screen. This invisible AI will improve the quality of care, reduce errors, and give doctors their time back. 7. The guardian angel on your wrist. AI-powered wearables. Your Apple Watch or Fitbit is already a powerful sensor. In the next decade, AI-powered wearables will evolve from fitness trackers into sophisticated 24/7 health monitors. These devices won't just count your steps, they'll analyze your heart rhythms, sleep patterns, blood oxygen levels, and even the chemical composition of your sweat. The real magic happens when AI analyzes this continuous stream of data. An AI algorithm can detect subtle changes in your heart rhythm that signal the onset of atrial fibrillation, warning you to see a doctor before you even feel a symptom. This AI for patient monitoring is especially crucial for the elderly or those with chronic conditions, allowing them to live independently while a guardian angel on their wrist watches over them, alerting medical staff at the first sign of trouble. 8. A smart scalpel, enhancing the surgeon's hand. Surgical robots are already here, but AI is about to give them a massive upgrade. Robotic surgery AI will not replace surgeons, but will act as their smart scalpel, providing a level of precision and steadiness that is humanly impossible. Imagine a surgeon performing a delicate brain or nerve operation. The AI-assisted robot can filter out the surgeon's tiniest hand tremors. The AI can also see beyond the visible spectrum, using data from pre-op scans to overlay a 3D map onto the patient's body in real time. This map can highlight critical blood vessels to avoid or show the precise edges of a tumor. It's like giving the surgeon high-tech augmented reality glasses and a perfectly steady hand, leading to faster, safer, and more effective surgeries. 9. An emotional first aid kit. Accessible AI mental health. mental health care is in crisis. It's expensive, hard to access, and often carries a heavy stigma. AI mental health support offers a powerful solution by providing a first step that is private, affordable, and available 24/7. AI-driven chatbots are being developed that can provide proven therapeutic techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy. They can guide users through exercises to manage anxiety, reframe negative thoughts, or cope with depression. For many, talking to an AI is less intimidating than a human therapist.
This isn't a replacement for complex psychiatric care,
But it serves as an invaluable emotional first aid kit, a supportive, non-judgmental tool that can listen, guide, and help millions who would otherwise suffer in silence. 10. The Global Disease Weather Service, Predictive Public Health. How do you stop a pandemic? By seeing it coming. Predictive analytics in healthcare is AI's answer to global public health. By analyzing vast anonymous data sets like flight patterns, climate data, social media posts, and hospital admissions, AI can spot the digital smoke of a new disease outbreak before it becomes an inferno. Think of it as a global weather service for diseases. This public health AI could have flagged an unusual cluster of flu-like symptoms in a specific city weeks before officials recognized a new virus. It can predict how a virus will spread, allowing governments to allocate resources like vaccines and hospital beds to the right places at the right time. This AI early warning system will be one of our most powerful weapons against the next global health crisis. Conclusion: a more human future for medicine. The future of AI in medicine isn't about cold, calculating machines taking over. It's about using those machines to restore the human touch to healthcare. By letting AI handle the number crunching, the paperwork, and the pattern spotting, we free doctors to do what they do best: listen, empathize, and heal. This next decade will be a revolutionary one as AI becomes an invisible, indispensable partner in building a future where healthcare is more predictive, more personal, and more accessible for every single one of us.